Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to type on both sides in Google Docs. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Doc, you are going to go to one section of your page. I'm going to use the left section here, and you're going to type in something. So I'm going to use these random letters. Now, let's say that you want to type on the right side here. What you simply have to do is go to the top here where this ruler is. So you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and so on. Go to the right side here. Then you're going to right click and you're going to select Add Right Tab Stop. And you'll know that you selected it once you see these little blue triangles pointing to the left. Now all you need to do is you simply need to hit the Tab key on your keyboard, and then it's going to move this little line to the right side of the page. And then you can just start typing and so on. Or maybe you want to write something on the left side here of this page, let's say over here. You're simply going to go to the top here again, right click, and then select Add Left Tab Stop. And then it's going to move the words that side. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.